Thank you very much for having us. It's my partner George, the brains of the operation, and this is SiteRender.ai. It's powered by Albatross. So here's this thing we face in commercial real estate, which is what will land look like with my building on it? What would this look like with a Starbucks or a Taco Bell? And oftentimes, as you'll see in the deck here, it's just too expensive to pay for a graphic designer, wait weeks to see what your building would look like on property. But what if you could do it like that? What if you could put in an address and see exactly what your building would look like on the property? What a fast food would look like on the corner, a bank, a dry cleaner, a shopping center, a Target, a Walmart. What if you could show your company what your building would look like on a piece of land so you have context to move forward with? And that's what we've created.
So if you go to our deck, you'll be able to see our live demo. But so basically, as you mentioned, the solution is something where a user can come to our website, they can submit a request, they can submit the land and what building or business they'd like to see on top of that land. We've built a AI workflow, and so a browser agent will go online, we'll go to LoopNet, we'll go to maps.com or maps.google, look at the site, grab pictures there. It will feed into a pipeline where images will be rendered of the businesses that you've asked. So like, let's say it's a Starbucks or it's a Black Rifle Coffee or it's a Joe's Coffee. Following that, the user gets an email, we call it packages. They'll get an email package of everything that they asked for. So they'll both be able to see within a matter of 24 hours or less the site itself, what it would look like if there's a Starbucks. We will generate both images and video, and they will be able to then share it out with others.
So you may be asking, who is this smart guy right here? Well, you guys, a lot of me, I'm a commercial real estate broker here in town. Largest deal in company history last week. Things are going on fire right now. But the riches are in the niches, right? Solve problems in your industry that you're seeing. It took a lot of money for me to hire people to go create graphic design. And I knew a guy that is a specialist and has a company in AI development. So George has now created a company or created a solution to this problem that I face every day. And it really helps to have that image out there to sell property. If you're an owner, to see what it would look like with a different type of building on it. You can do all of this. As George has pointed out, there's 3D video included along with the image. And you'll see there's a video on our QR code of exactly how this works and what it does. We're with the largest companies right now, CBRE, JLL, Colliers. They're all using it right now. And what they're doing is using it for free. You can use it for free. You already have your phone out. You will have the ability to download this exact program or input your address and what you'd like to see on any property, anywhere, at any time. Check it out, try it out, and let us know what you think.
Nailed it, buddy. Woo! Nailed it. All right, listen, judges, go. You got your 3 minutes. I actually did what he just said, and it's pretty fucking dope.
So I think it's a great concept. I have heard in this past week, had conversations with 3 others that are in the same space, not including this morning. So I think early adopters are important. You're right, the riches are in the niches, and if you're solving that pain point, if you can get someone to make a decision faster, because a lot of people don't have that creativity to be able to see into a room or to see a site and imagine a Starbucks there with a full drive-up window.
Here's what we offer that they don't. It works, it's available now, and it's free for you. We have a scaling model that sells in packages and a subscription model, and we have an enterprise value as for large companies, developers, and land brokers.
Well, that's my question. I want to know more about that. How are you going to get the return? Go deeper on that one.
The return comes from selling subscription model packages to and infiltrating into the largest brokerages and developers in the country. They're then purchasing enterprise packages and scaling from there. It's a holistic marketing. You asked earlier, how do you continue beyond one product? We have an entire suite of AI-driven marketing tools inside. This is a spearhead into the largest companies on the planet.
So cool.
Pain point's real. I've been on all sides of it, wanting to see it as an investor, a land developer, or like in any deal, basically. So a real pain point. If I were to go and interview commercial brokers at all those firms you mentioned and ask them what they're using, what would they say?
You would ask them what their number one pain point is, and this is it. My father used to do this brokerage, and he said I had to wait a month for somebody to come up with an image. If I could do it in 30 seconds and have it emailed directly to me and a 3D video, it would solve all of his problems.
Are you guys the only solution, or are there other solutions that are being used right now?
We're the best solution.
The best solution. I like it. Great answer.
That was great, Zach. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Appreciate it. You're the best. You're the best. Thank you. Score's up to 30. The bar was raised to 30.
Oh, we got more questions.
I could ask more. We're out of time, though.
All right. Hey, Zacharias, nailed it.
Life is just more fun when you build cool things with your friends to solve problems in your industry. Check it out.